But let's now talk about the big Q that we've been mentioning. Jio Financial Services, which demerged from Reliance Industries last month, will list on the stock exchanges today. So Prashant is here to tell us more about that. Prashant.
Well, thanks very much for that. So, yeah, the listing is today, and we'll get you live pictures from the Bombay Stock Exchange as the day goes by. Around 10 or so, the JFS team will be there. Just to give you a quick background in terms of where everything which has happened up till now and what happens from here on. So the price which was found after the demerger of Jio Financial out of Reliance Industries was 261 rupees and 85 paise, and that kind of acts as a base as we start the trading this morning. Just a quick look at the potential market capitalization based on that 261 rupees price. It works out to about 1,66,000 crore rupees or so. The point is what happens from here on. The stock basically on Wednesday, it lists today on the exchanges. But remember, as part of the new kind of way to find value of a stock which is getting demerged, it was made part of the Nifty and the other indices. And it's been the 51st stock on the Nifty for the last, since the 20th of July when the demerger actually took place. But of course, it's been quoted at a constant value of that 261, 262 odd rupees or so. Today it starts trading, so you basically actually will have will have 51 stocks trading on the Nifty for the next 3 days. So on Wednesday, that is T plus 3, the trade day, which is today, plus 3 days, Wednesday evening, Jio Financial Services will be taken out of the exchanges taken out of the indices, that'll, of course, that depends on certain conditions, one being the fact that the stock should not hit a circuit, right, for 2 days in a row. If that condition is met on day 3, which is Wednesday evening, the stock goes out of the Nifty and other indices that it is part of. And of course, eventually later, as it meets eligibility, stocks got to be listed for at least a month, and there are other things as well. It can make its way back into Nifty and other indices, etc. So that's the way ahead. Now, just a quick look at, and this is essentially the interesting part, which the market will put a price to. What's in a way the sum of the parts? I couldn't find a better way to kind of put this, because it's not as if it's got very many operating businesses, right? I mean, actually, it's got it's just got the money that Reliance put in. It's got what it paid for the 6.1% stock in Reliance Industries. So the core net worth is there. Now you can use any multiple to what should stocks trade at, right? Financial stocks trade at the best trade at 3 times, 3.5, 4 times book. Right, Jio Financial Services at this point in time doesn't have, as I said, like a lending business or other businesses, so as to speak. But taking 3 times multiple, and if you change the number, the eventual outcome will change. You basically get, that number of 1. I mean, you add this that you get a number a little over 1 lakh odd crores or so. Now you add the 6.1% stake in Reliance Industries, which is at the current market price, which is as of Thursday's close. The numbers will be as of Thursday's close. You get the total number, which is 1,37,000 crores or so. So that's basically what we are working with at this point in time. Of course, the court at 10 o'clock will essentially tell us if these are the numbers which the market wants to ascribe to Jio Financial Services or something else. Of course, exactly a week after today, that's the 28th, next Monday, we'll hear from Reliance Industries potentially on their plans for this business, which is Jio Financial Services. Back to you.
All right, Prashant, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details. That is Jio Financial Services going to list at 10 a.m. today, and then the Reliance AGM is next Monday. With that